Well, here's that game making I mentioned earlier, so let's see it in action, eh? This is for a game jam. I forget exactly what it's called. I have a terrible goldfish memory when it comes to that, but I got a basic menu with some flavor text. Is an easy and hard mode, and if you exit the game, random messages pop up, including some little Easter eggs from our Discord. So I'll start on hard mode, and the story is just you're on a spaceship, there's an alien, and you gotta craft stuff to get off the ship. So you can walk around, pick up oxygen, press B, and there's a limited amount of oxygen in hard mode. And there's people, and dead people, and items to pick up. To craft stuff, you press B on a computer, and you get this cancerous GUI. We've got a list of all the items on the left-hand side. And on the right-hand side, we've got a little GUI that allows you to craft stuff using the items in your inventory. And you can see that when you do craft stuff, the items temporarily pop in the inventory, so you know what you just crafted, which is kind of nice. And you can pick up items in the world, and they reflect in your inventory. Whoops. And some of the items you can use, like for example, if I got a demo charge, which I have how many of? 0. Okay, so I'll just craft one more. I'll craft 2, what the hey. Oops. Oh, that's a bug. Oh jeez. Found a bug. Anyway, I just gotta set the inventory so that it doesn't use the items when you have it opened up, so. There we go. Oops. An item. Oh look. Someone died. But we can rescue him. And when you rescue the people, they run off. And then they start to repair the shuttle right here. And you can select equipment that you have by pressing Q or E. So right now I've got the flashlight. If I press space, should be working, but it isn't for some reason. I'll have to check that. But I think I've also got a oxygen cutter, which creates that little dot, which will allow you to destroy stuff. And it actually uses some of your own oxygen, so you gotta be careful with that. You can also craft components to make stuff, like you can craft casings, and you can see I don't have enough metal to craft the casing, so it gives me a message. But I can craft bait using human salsa, which is people bits. It's a bit of a dark humor, but that is us in a nutshell. And if you mouse over stuff, you get like little tooltips, like left click to harvest a person, and let's see here. In human salsa, and all the items on the floor do have labels. So this is what I've been working on beside the giant robot, and oh look, you can see that dude I rescued has the shuttle repaired 27%. And when the shuttle is fully repaired, it ends the game, which is just a quick really just turns off the game at the end. We'll probably add a cutscene or something like that. So then the more people you rescue, the faster the shuttle gets repaired. But if you don't rescue anyone before the monster gets them, which they did with the green guy, you can't win the game and you're pretty much screwed. So that's all for today, and you can see I'm about to die, and I died. So if you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.